Yes. Yesterday we were talking about the chapter that was Snake and the Mirror. Half of the chapter we have covered yesterday. The remaining half we will cover today. And this chapter is actually going to come in your UT. That's why we are revising it again. And right now, as I already told you, that half of the chapter was revised yesterday, and half of the chapters we are going to do. We are going to revise today. So what was going on in the chapter actually? There was a homeopathic doctor, and what he is telling us actually, he is telling us about an incident of his life. What happened to him? What kind of incident he faced once when he is just actually sharing his life's experience. Fine. What he faced once, क्या उसने face किया कि once when he returned to his room after taking dinner in a restaurant, when he returned to his room, what he noticed that he just listened or just heard some familiar voice. He was thinking that it is a voice of it was the noise of rats who were very familiar, and they used to run in his rooms to and fro. To and fro means आगे पीछे इधर उधर घूमते रहते थे. The rats were, so many rats were there in his room. So this was a hot summer night. The doctor tried to sleep, but just then what happened, that he could not sleep. Actually, it was too hot that day that he could not sleep. So he went out of his room, and there also he could not get any relief. Again he came back inside his room. Then he stood on a chair and he started reading a book. Fine. What happened after that? When he was sitting on the chair in front of a table, he just noticed that 3 or 4 things were kept on that table. And what were these 3 or 4 things? A mirror was kept, a comb was kept, and something else were kept. Fine. Just then he started looking into the mirror. And he was as he was an unmarried doctor. He was a youngster actually. That's why. And the youngsters are in habit of taking care of their look. Fine. So he was just looking in the mirror, and he decided himself that he should take care of his personality. He wanted to improve his personality. That's why he declared, or he thought in his mind only. In his mind, he was thinking that I should grow a thin mustache on my face. And then he thought that and one more thing was going on in his mind. That was that he decided to keep a smile on his face. When we keep a smile, it is a natural thing actually. When we keep a smile on our face, we looks beautiful. That's why he decided. That from now today means from today I will always keep a smile on my face. So he decided like that. Just then, till that story we have revised. Now we are going ahead. Okay. So, yes, point 5, we have to start from point 5, parting so that it
The
looks
point
straight
five.
and neat. Again, I heard that sound from above. Just then, when he was deciding, when he decided that he will keep a smile on his face, just then again he heard the same sound which he noticed some
मैम
minutes ago. Hanji, yes, beta.
पॉइंट हो चुका था मैम, 60 से कराना है.
Yeah, yes. We are coming that on that point. I took a close look at my face in the mirror. I made an okay. We have to start it from point 6. I got up, paced up and down in the room. Then another lovely thought struck me. I would get married to a woman doctor who had plenty of money and a good medical practice. She had to be fat for a valid reason. If I made some silly mistake and needed to run away, she should not be able to run after me and catch me. what a dreadful idea was going on in his mind. What he was thinking, that the another thought. First thought, he was thinking that he should grow a thin mustache on his face. Second thought, he was thinking, or he decided that he should keep a smile on his face. Third thought, he was thinking that he should get married now, but
Third thought,
with
funniest.
he wanted to get married with a
Fat.
Fatty.
fatty woman. Why? What was the reason after that? Just a funny idea. What he was thinking, that there was a valid reason after that idea. If I made some silly mistake, he was so afraid before marriage even. See, he was thinking that if I made a silly mistake, if I do a mistake after my marriage, and my wife want to run after me, if she is fat, that she won't be able to run after me. That was the silly idea which was going on in his mind actually. See, with such thoughts in my mind, I resumed my seat in the chair in front of the table. There were no more sounds from above. Suddenly there came a dull thud, as if a rubber tube had fallen to the ground. See what happened with such thoughts. This kind of thoughts were going on in his mind, that he should do this, he should do that. 3 or 4 thoughts. Whenever we are sitting quietly, whenever we are alone, actually a lot of 1,000 thoughts come in our mind. Is it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
It happens to everybody. It happens to everybody.
Yes,
Whenever
ma'am.
we are sitting alone,
Yes.
1,000 thoughts come in our mind. एक साथ कुछ चलता रहता है कि अब हम ये करेंगे, ये करेंगे, ये करेंगे. Fine. So the same thing was going on with the doctor also. And what happened next? I resumed my seat in the chair in front of the table. Just he sat statically. He was sitting statically. There was no more sounds from above. Now the sound which was coming from 2 or 3 times, it was stopped. It was stopped. What happened next? At the very next moment, suddenly there came a dull thud, as if a rubber tube. Thud क्या होता है? एक जैसे हम कोई चीज हमारी गिरती है. As a book is fallen on, or we just throw a book on the ground. Then what kind of sound it makes? That kind of sound he listened just then. Fine, he heard that kind of sound, and it was looking like a rubber tube had fallen. That a rubber tube means circle, like coiled thing has fallen on the ground. Surely thing to worry about. Now nothing to worry about, he was saying. It was a rubber tube. He thought that it is a rubber tube, where it has come from, but he did not take any tension for that. He was thinking that, okay, it is a rubber tube, let it go. Even so, I thought I would turn around and take a look. Just when I thought that I should take a turn, and I should see that what is fallen on the ground. No sooner had I turned than a fat snake wriggled over the back of the chair and landed on my shoulder. The snake's landing on me and my turning were simultaneous. Simultaneous. What is the meaning of simultaneous? Simultaneous?
Very fast.
When 2 things goes on side by side. जब 2 काम एक साथ चलते हैं, that is called simultaneous actually. What he was doing, he wanted to look back. He wanted to look back that what was thrown or what was fallen on the ground. Just then, as he looked backside, just then a fat snake came on his shoulder and it wriggled. Wriggled means एक तरह से crawl करता हुआ आया, crawling रेंगता हुआ आया over the back of his chair and landed on my shoulder. It just came on my shoulder and sat there. The snake landed on me and my turning were simultaneously. Means जैसे ही snake मेरे ऊपर आया and I turned, that was simultaneous. Simultaneous means both the things happened side by side. Means एक दूसरे के साथ साथ हुई. जैसे ही मैंने पीछे देखा वैसे ही snake आकर मेरे shoulder पर बैठ गया. I did not jump. I did not tremble. I did not cry out. There was no time to do any such thing. The snake slithered along my shoulder and coiled around my left arm above the elbow. The hood was spread out and its head was hardly 3 or 4 inches from my face. I did not jump. When something is there, see, when something is in front of me or in my lap, then is it possible for me to run from there? No, we just become ice trapped. हम एक आइस की तरह जम जाते हैं वहीं पर अगर कोई ना कोई डेंजर हमारे सामने होता है. It happens to each and every human being. Fine. And he was really in the danger because on his shoulder a cobra or a fat snake was sitting. I did not jump. He's saying that I could not jump. I could not tremble. Even he could not tremble. He could not shiver at all. कि कांप भी नहीं सका मैं डर की वजह से. I did not cry out. I could not cry out even. The doctor is saying this. There was no time to do such silly things. These were the silly things. If he should have moved, the snake would have bit him. अगर वो move करता तो क्या होता? Snake would have bit him. काट जाता. The snake slithered along my shoulder. Slithered means रेंग कर आ जाना. It slithered along my shoulder, on my shoulder, and coiled around my left arm. It coiled around my left arm. It just get round around my left arm. उसकी पूरी left arm के चारों तरफ वो ऐसे करके coil कर लिया उसने. The hood was spread out and its head was hardly 3 or 4 inches from my face. Its hood. What is hood? Cobra's hood. What is hood? It is fun. सांप का जो fun होता है, that is called hood. So he just spread his hood and its head, मतलब cobra का head was just 3 or 4 inches above my face. मेरे face से he was saying that it was just 3 or 4 inches far from my face. It would not be correct to say merely that I sat there holding my breath. I was turned to stone, but my mind was very active. The door opened into the darkness. The room was surrounded by darkness. In the light of the lamp, I sat there like a stone image in the flesh. He is saying it would not be correct to say merely that I sat there holding my breath. Means he wanted to say that I was not breathing actually. The breaths were stopped. I could not breathe even. I was just like ice cubes. I was just sitting still like stones. Stone की तरह, जैसे stone को एक जगह रख देते हैं तो वो वहीं की वहीं बैठा रह जाता. Same condition was there of the narrator. He was sitting quietly and still. Still is called the thing which cannot be moved. जो thing इधर से उधर बिल्कुल move नहीं करती, that is called still. So he was sitting still. The door opened just then. However, his body was not moving, but his mind was very active that time, and the door opened in the darkness. Just then he noticed that door was opened. Someone has opened the door. The door was surrounded by the darkness. And the door, his room's door was surrounded, means everywhere there was a darkness everywhere because it was the night time. And in the light of the lamp, I sat there like a stone image in the flesh. But inside his room, as he lighted his lamp, that's why only the light of lamp was there. Only the lamp's light was there inside the room. However, out of the room, if he could see out of the room, there was completely dark. Fine. I felt then the great presence of the creator of this world and this universe. God was there. Suppose I said something and he did not like it. I tried in my imagination to write in bright letters outside my little heart the words, "Oh God." There was some pain in my left arm. It was as if a thick leaden rod, no, a rod made of molten fire, was slowly but powerfully crushing my arm. The arm was beginning to be drained of all strength. what could I do? What the writer means, what kind of expression he is telling us means, you just imagine. If we imagine, in our imagination also we can get afraid that a cobra is sitting on my shoulder. So he faced that thing in his life. He is saying that I felt that the great presence of the creator of this world. In that, according to that incident, from that incident, the writer is saying, the narrator is saying, I could feel the presence of the creator of universe. Who is the creator of universe? Yes,
जी
God.
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 So he was thanking God actually, that from that incident I started believing in God more than. Fine. He was saying that creator of this world and this universe, God was there. Suppose I said something and he did not like it. Just then he was thinking, just in his mind, something was going on that I think I have made some mistake. That's why this cobra is there and God is punishing me actually. He was thinking like that. I tried in my imagination to write in bright letters outside my little heart the words God. Means I wanted to write something for prayer to God, but I could not. It was just an imagination actually. He wanted to write, he wanted to pray to God that time, but he could not do. There was some pain in my left arm. It was as if a thick leaden rod. No, a rod made of molten fire. He was saying that I felt some. There was some actually pain in my left arm, because on his left arm the cobra was coiled actually. So he felt pain in his left arm, and he was thinking that a thick leaden rod मीन्स एक रोड उसके अंदर से, उसके बाजू में से, उसके आर्म में से डाल दिया गया है. जस्ट देन ही वाज सेइंग दैट नो नो नो, इट वाज ए थिंकिंग, और इट वाज ए जस्ट आई वाज फीलिंग दैट इट वाज ए फीलिंग ऑफ जैसे कि मोल्टन फायर ऑफ रोड को उसके बाजू पर लगा दिया गया. मोल्टन मीन्स व्हाट इज मोल्टन? मेल्ट किया हुआ जो होता है, मीन्स पिघला हुआ. पिघली हुई जो आग होती है जलती हुई, उसको उसके बाजू पर डाल दिया गया. He was thinking like that. Was slowly but powerfully crushing my arm, and that power of fire was crushing my arm. It was just making my arm. It was just harming my arm actually. The arm was beginning to be drained of all strength. Means he was thinking that all strength, the power of his arm was diminishing actually, खत्म हो रही थी. What could I do? Now he was thinking that what should be done? What should I do? क्या करूं मैं इस condition में, when a cobra is sitting on my shoulder and it is not moving actually. At my slightest movement, the snake would strike me. Death lugged 4 inches away. Suppose it stuck. What was the medicine I had to take? There was no medicine in the room. I was but a poor, foolish and stupid doctor. I forgot my danger and smiled feebly at myself. At my slightest moment, just then he thought inside his mind that if I move a little bit, the snake would strike me, the snake would bit me, and death lugged 4 inches away. He was just imagining that death is there just 4 inches away from me. सिर्फ 4 इंच दूर है मेरी मौत मुझसे. He was thinking like that. Suppose it stuck. He was just imagining again that suppose. Imagine if it stucks me, if it bites me, कि ये जो कोबरा है अगर मुझे काट लेता है, what I will do after that? What medicine I will take after that? See, it is general that generally we keep some medicine in our home, that any mishap, whenever any mishappening happens, whenever we get any cut or anything else, when we get any injury in our hand, in on our body, then we paste or we apply some medicine, and we always
Yes.
keep some medicine in our home or not. फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स नाम की चीज जो होती है वो हम रखते हैं नहीं रखते हैं घर में.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
he was a doctor.
Yes, sir.
He was a doctor. We general people are keeping some medicine or first aid box in our home, but this was a doctor. And think about the doctor, that he was not having any medicine in his room. So he was thinking that suppose if it bites me, what would I apply, what medicine I would take. He was just thinking. I was but a poor and foolish and stupid doctor. He was just abusing himself actually. अपने आप को ही कोस रहा था वो. What he was saying? I was a poor, I was a stupid, I was a foolish doctor. I forgot my danger and smiled feebly at myself. Just then I forgot about the danger, and actually he started smiling himself that how foolish, how stupid he was. He was just smiling at himself. It seemed as if God appreciated that. The snake turned its head, it looked into the mirror and saw its reflection. I do not claim that it was the first snake that had ever looked into a mirror, but it was certain that the snake was looking into the mirror. Was it admiring its beauty? What happened just then? It was his good day, you can say. कि बहुत अच्छा दिन था. God was with him. Fine. Just then that snake turned its hood. He turned its face and it started looking in mirror. The snake started looking in the mirror, saw its reflection. The snake started looking its reflection, and I do not claim. The doctor is saying that I don't claim. I cannot say that it was the first it was the first snake who was looking into the mirror, who was just watching into the mirror. I cannot say it completely or surety. With surety, he was not sure that it was the first snake who was looking into the mirror, but that had ever looked. But it was certain that the snake was looking into the mirror. But I can say that he definitely the snake was looking into the mirror. Means just then he got some time. Now again the chapter is left, a little bit is left I think. So we will complete it tomorrow. Positively we will complete it. Be ready for your UT. Fine. Right now we are leaving the class. Bye bye all of you.
Okay, ma'am.